Wagwan guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to install your keyboard strokes on your PC. What am I talking about? So you have watched your favorite YouTubers, your favorite content creators when they're making YouTube tutorials for you, and you are able to see their keyboard shortcuts while they are making the video, and that helps you um, save questions that you're going to ask them at the end of the video. How did you do this? How did you not do this? So I'm going to be showing you how to install it and how to customize yours personally. So without further ado, let's head to Windows and type Microsoft Store. When it comes up, you search for Keyviz, Keyviz, Keyviz. So Keyviz is an application that helps you show your keyboard strokes while you're making videos, so your users can see it and understand your videos better. So I recommend you download it from Microsoft Store. You can also download it from Google Chrome, GitHub, but I advise you download it from Microsoft Store because most of those softwares online come with virus. So you install it from Microsoft Store. I've installed mine already, so you open it. I had issues with navigating it. I clicked on it but nothing came up. I only had these boring keyboard strokes down here, white. I was wondering how to customize it. I reached out to most of my friends. I reached out to Nakristos. I reached out to my guy IB Douglas. So Nakristos told me I should check YouTube, Pintrest. I checked, I could not find any tutorial as regarding how to customize my Keyviz until I found out how to customize it, and this is what I did. So to customize your keyboard or your Keyviz from this white boring to what I'm going to show you, this is what you're going to do. So to open the panel of the Keyviz, you need to go to this icon here. So this is like Windows 11 setup, so you go to this icon. Windows 10 also have it on other Windows, so you click on it. Keyviz, this is it, Keyviz. You look for Keyviz. When you open it, you see Keyviz running, so you click on Keyviz, go to settings. Behold, this is where this guy has been hiding. Who would have thought? So to customize it, this is what you're going to do. You go to the settings, hotkey filter. This one you don't need to touch it, but you see your control, your shift, your alternate, and your windows. These are the modifiers. You cannot, if you want to ignore the keys, you click on it, and when you tap on those keys, it's not going to reflect on your screen. But as a designer, why will you hide control and shift and alternate and windows? Like, what are you teaching your viewers? So you need to check these guys, let them be active, so when you tap on them, your viewers can see it. So next one, we head to mouse. This is where you feel of your mouse. So I'm going to be using the following settings. You can customize it to your taste, but these are the following settings I used for my own. So for the mouse, I'm using E6. You can see my color is E6. It's in between white and gray. So yeah, in between white and gray. Then we'll move on to the next. We'll move to the preset. So on the preset, we have typography. So I'm going to increase mine to 26. You can see it's going to change. It's increased. If you increase it by 100, this is what it's going to look like. So if you leave it like this, it's going to be taking half of your screen. If you put it to 10, this is how it looks like, very small. So I'm putting mine at 26. Feel free to customize it however you feel like. Then I'm going to be going to uppercase instead of lowercase, so that you can see what I actually press well. Control. So I'm going to be using uppercase. I'm going to change this black color, but I need to change some of the colors beneath it, so it's going to reflect. So I need to change the background. I need to change this color so that I can come back and change the typography's color. So we'll move to layout. So this is layout. You can see it's bigger. Control or this symbol or no symbol, plus or no plus. So this is where you're going to do it. So we come down to color. So for the color, I'm using solid. You can decide to use gradient, solid or gradient, but I'm using solid for mine, and I'm using the following color. I'm using 4545454. That's what I'm using for mine. So for the secondary color, I'll be using 2727. Yeah, so that's what I'm using for mine. So after this, you come down and you go to the border. This is the thickness of the border, but mine is at 1. Then these are the rounded corners, anyhow you want to customize it, but I'll leave my own at 50. Border, I'm going to toggle it off because I don't need it. Then I go to my background and I turn it off, so I don't need that white background, it's not looking cool. Then I'll come back to my typography just like I said, and I change this to white. F-E-F-E. So this is the color of white I used. Then you come down to your appearance. So this appearance is what will help you align where you want this keyboard strokes to show. So if you want it here, you put it at this place. If you want it here, put it at this place. If you want it here, put it at this place. You want it here, but me, I'm going to put my own here. So the figures I used for this is 80 for the margin, so you can see if you want it to go up or down. I'm using 80 for mine. Then the duration, I'm going to reduce the duration, the amount of time the keys linger, so I'll reduce it to 2 seconds. And my animation is going to be grow. So you can set it to your own taste, and I'll reduce this animation time so it appears faster as I type it. So yeah, this is how it looks, and this is how to customize your keyboard strokes. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.